Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to our quick guide on fixing the Electrolux washer code E35. If your washer is flashing that annoying E35 error and putting a halt to your laundry day, don't worry, we've got you covered. This code often signals an issue with the pressure switch or drain system, which is usually an easy fix with a few simple steps. I'm your host, and today we'll get your machine running smoothly again in no time. First things first, safety is key. Start by unplugging your washer from the power outlet to avoid any electrical mishaps. This gives you a safe window to inspect and troubleshoot. Once that's done, grab a few basic tools: a flashlight, a bucket, and maybe some pliers or a wrench. Step 1. Check the drain hose. It's common for clogs or kinks to cause this error. Locate the hose at the back of your washer, disconnect it carefully, and inspect for any blockages. Use the flashlight to peer inside and remove any debris or lint buildup. Straighten out any bends while you're at it. Next, examine the pressure hose connected to the pressure switch, usually found near the top of the washer. Gently disconnect it and blow through it to clear any obstructions. If it's damaged, you might need to replace it. Check online for compatible parts. Now, clean the drain pump filter. Most Electrolux models have this at the bottom front. Remove the cover, pull out the filter, and rinse it under warm water to remove any trapped items like coins or fabric pieces. Reinstall it securely. After these checks, plug your washer back in and run a test cycle. If the E35 code persists, try resetting the machine by holding the power button for 10 seconds or performing a factory reset as per your model's manual. And there you have it. That's how you tackle the E35 error on your Electrolux washer. Remember, if you're uncomfortable with any step or the problem continues, call a professional to avoid further damage. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home repair tips. See you next time.